All right, beauties, we are going to dive in. I do know what two of the pieces were, or I did know ahead of time what two of the pieces were. You get a priority mailer to mail everything back in. Everything comes beautifully packaged, which I really, really love. Everything is as personalized as you will allow it to be. And I love with Stitch Fix. Oh yeah, you get all your cute cards. I will show you everything up close towards the end of the video. But if you're unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it is a styling box. You can order this as often as you would like to. I get it about every 3 months. So first of all, I see this beautiful crossbody handbag. I love crossbodies and I love really small handbags when I do actually carry a handbag, because I don't really carry them very often. I really like this piece a whole lot. Spoiler alert, I can't move. Just because of the color, I feel like it is perfect for year round. Now we're going to get into our little bundle, and yeah, you can tell on my face that I was already extremely excited. If you know, you know. This is one of my all-time favorite colors. I love green. I love any type of green makeup. I love warm tones. I pretty much live for like fall colors. Yeah. Anyways, I loved the hand of this and the fabrication on this. I think it's super, super beautiful. I'm definitely trying to get up close and show you guys sizing and everything. All of the tops and dresses are always going to be a 2X. And then the pants, jeans, etc., I am getting a 22 right now. You'll see in the try-on portion how everything fits. I really like that you can do this as often as you would like to. I try to do it again like every 3 months or so. Just kind of as I need new pieces. And you do pay a $20 styling fee. That is credited toward whatever purchases you make. This dress is gorgeous, and I don't typically like high-low dresses, but I mean, how beautiful is this? Seriously. Also, I am extremely under the weather. I was feeling very, very terrible in this video, as I am right now. So, hence a voiceover. And I put up my two because, hey, 2 maxi dresses in one box. Yes, please. I love maxi dresses in the summertime, especially here in North Carolina. It is extremely hot and very, very muggy. So I was super excited, definitely to see 2 dresses. This one I did see in my little sneak peek. You can opt to see, you know, items in your sneak peek. And you can say yes or no to the sneak peek items, and pick however many you want to pick. And then whatever items you do not pick from the 5, they'll kind of surprise you with those. Next up are some Cosmic Blue Love denim jeans in a size 22, of course. And I will say, of course, you'll see how everything fits. But I believe, obviously, going into, I think October is going to be my next box, I will definitely be sizing down. So here's the try-on portion. I love the shirt. I love the color of it. I like that it's a little bit different. It has the beautiful keyhole. It has like the braiding across the top. It is that beautiful kind of form-fitting but flouncy type of material that I like, that kind of pulls away from the body. Very kind of slinky, has a beautiful kind of brushed cotton feel to it. I love the shirt so much. Definitely 2 thumbs up. The shorts, I have a love-hate relationship right now, because as you can see, they're really big at my waist, but I don't have the gapping in the booty, and they fit in the booty, which is kind of my issue with basically everything right now. I'm definitely in between sizing. So I do want to try on the bag with this. I cannot get over the bag. I just love the bag. Also, comment down below, do you carry a handbag regularly? Do you like a big bag or a little bag? I typically, like I said, don't carry one all the time, but I don't, something about this one. It has like the cute envelope pouch on it. It has tons of storage inside. I think it is so freaking beautiful. Also, if I didn't mention, I had literally just gotten out of the shower, so I was still wet. And I am not wearing my typical undergarments that I would normally wear, so imagine this, please, with an actual bra, okay? Yeah, 2 thumbs up again. Love the fabrication. I love the kind of hand and the bounce to this. I really am a big fan of like very soft, kind of bouncy materials, if you will. Yeah, I was trying to adjust my light, so sorry. But yeah, I think if I had my regular bra on, you could definitely have seen the kind of waist definition, which I loved in this piece so much. Definitely 2 thumbs up. Next up, honestly, probably the surprise of the entire box for me. I'm not typically a blue fan, even though I was wearing blue prior to the video. Anyways, it's not my favorite color, but I really love the shade. I love the way that this is made. I was trying to pose for a picture. I like that it is a floral print, but it's kind of a more sporadic print. Again, it had that beautiful, soft, kind of flouncy type of fabrication to it. I love the sleeves on it, the flutter sleeve. And I don't like high lows because I am so petite. But this is perfect. Like, it wasn't too long in the back. It wasn't like I was going to step on it or anything. I love the faux wrap. It is just stunning. It fit like a glove. Love, love, love. Comment down below your favorite piece. So you can see my fix, you can see my total. If you buy all 5 pieces from the box, you do get a 25% discount, which I really, really love. So my total was $194. I did buy the entire box, although I didn't really have the money to do it this time, but everything fit me so well this time. Aside from the shorts being just slightly too big, I do think that when I wash and dry them, they're going to shrink up though, but I needed new pieces and I loved every single piece. So you can see how personalized everything is. And they show you how to style the pieces as well. This box was a win. 5 out of 5 yellow heart.